Good morning. This is Joseph Plazo and welcome again to the Legal Forum. In today's discussion, we look at Rena's case whose brother was arrested for illegal possession of drugs. Her letter reads, Dear Joe, 3 days ago, my brother attended a party at a popular BGC club. Because of an anonymous tip, a raid was conducted midway through the party. Ecstasy was found in the entertainment room, but none were found in my brother's possession. He was then charged for possession of illegal drugs. What are his remedies? Rena. Dear Rena, from the facts that you provided me, I see that your brother has a strong case in his favor. Let us look at the law in question. Illegal possession of prohibited or dangerous drugs is punishable under Section 11 of Republic Act 9165. As with all criminal liability, all elements of the crime must be present. Let us look through these elements one by one. First, the accused is to be found in possession of the object identified as a prohibited or regulated drug. Second, such possession is not authorized by law. And third, the accused freely and consciously possessed the drug. Rena, the absence of even one of these elements would negate a criminal liability on the part of your brother. He might be charged with another crime, but definitely not illegal possession. Jurisprudence or the wisdom of the court sheds more light on this law. With regards to the first element, the Supreme Court ruled that actual physical possession is not necessary for the crime of illegal possession of dangerous drugs. In the case of People v. Tira, the year 2004, the Supreme Court said, possession under the law, which includes not only actual possession but also constructive possession. Actual possession exists when the drug is in the immediate physical possession or control of the accused. On the other hand, constructive possession exists when the drug is under the dominion and control of the accused, or when he has the right to exercise dominion and control over the place where it is found. The third element of the crime pertains to the free and conscious possession of the dangerous drug. Lawyers refer to this intent to possess as animus possidendi. In the decided case of People v. De La Cruz, the Supreme Court ruled that the possession must be with the knowledge of the accused, which the courts determined during trial, taking into consideration the prior or contemporaneous acts of the accused as well as the surrounding circumstances. Rena, these two landmark rulings indicate that simply because your brother was found in the place where the prohibited drugs were discovered is not enough to demonstrate willful intention to possess or animus possidendi. And there is one more case that can help your situation. In People v. Del Castillo, the Supreme Court released an accused who was passing by a place where the prohibited drugs were found. He was a transient. The fiscal failed to present evidence that the accused had control of seized drugs or that the place was under his control. Wisely, the court also pointed out that the drugs were not found together with her belongings. Now let's summarize everything. The fact that no drugs were found in your brother's possession does not readily free him from criminal responsibility for illegal possession of dangerous drugs. Your brother may be held criminally liable if he has constructive possession. However, As your brother was a mere attendee at a party where the dangerous drugs were found, this is not enough to implicate him of a crime. The fiscal must prove an intention to possess said drugs or animus possidendi. Any charges against your brother failing to demonstrate animus possidendi, taking into account his prior or contemporaneous acts, must be dropped. Please be advised that this recommendation is based solely on the facts you have narrated and my appreciation of the same. My opinion may vary when other facts are changed or elaborated. Do you have any legal concerns? Feel free to comment your challenges below or email me directly. I may discuss your issue in a new video for the benefit of all. Your identity will be protected. This is Joseph Plazo. I pray you were enlightened.